Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome dear students. Hope you are all doing well. So dear students, as you all know that we are done with our poem The Daffodils. So today we will start the exercise on page number 36. So dear students, in section A, read out the text and answer the following questions. So the first question is there any personification in this poem? If yes, where? And the second one is, write at least 2 lines showing similes. So dear students, this personification and similes are two figure of speech which the poet used in this poem, and today I will explain it to you, and then I will explain how to paraphrase a stanza. So let's start with the definition of figure of speech or poetic device. So dear students, a figure of speech is a word or phrase that possesses a separate meaning from its literal definition. So first of all, I will explain what is personification. Personification is when you give an animal or an object a quality or ability of a human. In simple words, it means personification is what writers or poets use to bring non-human things to life. For example, in the second stanza of the Daffodils, the poet used personification as tossing their heads and sprightly dance. It shows that the daffodils are humans that can dance. So now coming to the next topic, which is simile. A poetic device used to compare one object to another to help readers understand or clarify the meanings using as or like. So it is a directly comparison between two things using as or like. For example, the poet compares himself to a cloud in the first stanza, which is, I wandered lonely as a cloud. It shows that he compares his loneliness with a single cloud. So dear students, here is another poetic device or figure of speech, metaphor. Dear students, it is a figure of speech in which a word or phrase is applied to an object or action to which it is not literally applicable. For example, Wordsworth used a metaphor in the last stanza as, they flash upon that inward eye. Here the inward eye represents the sweet memory of the daffodils. So now coming to the next topic, what is paraphrasing? So paraphrasing is using your own words to express someone else's message or ideas. For example, rewriting a poet's words or ideas in your own words without changing the meaning and missing even a point. So here we have an example on page number 13. Okay, sorry students, this is page number 38. So here we have an example of paraphrasing. For off, when on my couch I lie in vacant or pensive mood, there flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude, and then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. So here is an example of paraphrasing. The poet says that whenever he lies on his bed in a gloomy mood or to take rest, the reflection of those beautiful daffodils comes to his mind. His heart begins to dance with the daffodils. His heart fills with the pleasure, and the sight is a blessing of God and a permanent source of pleasure for the poet. Now what you have to do is paraphrase the second stanza of the daffodils yourself. And so dear students, in simple words, paraphrasing is rewriting a poet's words in your own words and without changing their meaning and missing even a point. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.